Hey, it's Hannah with WTI, and if you are looking for a great way to up your golf game, then this practice net is exactly what you're looking for.
This is a indoor-outdoor practice net from wosofe, and it is the perfect thing to help with your chipping game. Now, I'm someone who is fairly new to golf, and this is something that I desperately need to work on, clearly. But I love that I can have this set up in seconds, whether I want to practice outside if the weather's nice, or have it set up indoors so I can practice all winter long. I really love the different things that it comes with. The mat that has three different kinds of turf, the practice balls that are so easy to play with inside. That way you're not afraid of hurting anything. Setup and takedown is effortless. And I think this would make the perfect gift for the avid golfer in your life or a newbie like myself.
I love that this is going to keep me ready to go throughout the winter. That way, when spring hits, I will be on my best game. I highly recommend getting one of these, and that's my point of view.